In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Intercom launcher icon. Before we dive in, a quick heads up. Intercom doesn't let you replace the default chat bubble graphic inside the basic messenger settings unless your plan includes custom logos. What you can do though is upload your brand logo so it displays inside the launcher's circle, giving the button a branded look. For a complete custom-shaped icon, you'd need a custom launcher implementation or a plan upgrade. With that in mind, let's walk through the built-in option that gets you a branded launcher quickly and safely. Start by opening your Intercom dashboard and heading to Settings. Make sure you're signed in with permission to edit the messenger appearance for your workspace. If your organization uses multiple environments, confirm you're in the one that maps to your live site so you see accurate previews and publish to the right place. From Settings, navigate to Channels, select Messenger, choose Web, and then Open Appearance. This is where you control the website Messenger's look and feel, including colors, header styles, and the logo that shows inside the launcher. Think of this as your brand control panel for the chat experience. In the Appearance section, upload your logo or brand icon. A square image with a transparent background usually looks best. Use a high-resolution PNG so it stays crisp on high-density screens. Aim for a version with a little internal padding so your logo doesn't look cramped once it's masked into a circle. If your logo is detailed or has thin lines, a slightly bolder variant can improve legibility at small sizes. After uploading, the preview updates and you'll see your logo appear inside the circular launcher, which immediately makes the button feel on-brand instead of the default chat bubble. When you're happy with how it looks, click Save. Saving refreshes the preview so you can double-check spacing, contrast, and overall balance against your site's background. If needed, you can also adjust your messenger accent color nearby to complement the logo for a cohesive look. To push the change to your website, set it live. Intercom may take a moment to propagate updates across pages, refresh your site to confirm, and spot check on desktop and mobile. If you use a CDN or tag manager, minor caching delays are normal. Give it a moment and verify across a few key pages. And that's it. Your logo now replaces the circle icon in the Intercom launcher, giving visitors a familiar brand touchpoint from the very first click. Remember, this places your logo into the launcher circle. It doesn't fully swap the chat bubble asset unless your plan supports deeper customization. If you don't see the logo option, review your plan details or explore a custom launcher setup.